Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to clear cache on the application of REDnote. You will go to REDnote app as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go to above here to this sign and you will enter. After that, in this page, you will click the sign of settings and you will enter here. Then in this page, you will find this window of clear cache and you will click. And after that, here you will find clear cache. You will click in this sign to clear cache as you see on the application of REDnote. But there is another option to clear cache on this application. You will go to settings. You will scrolling down until you find here apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of REDnote as you see and you will enter here. Then you will go to this window of storage. After that, you will click on clear cache here in this sign as you see, and then it will be clear in this page. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.